Hello everyone. Uh, Hello everyone. Today we're gonna be playing Airplane 2. Hi dude. Hi dude. Hi dude. Hi. I know I could treat you better if I get a second chance. Okay, I hear. Get in. Come on, come on. Yeah, get in. No, no, no. No, no. I always been sit here or something. Alright, so I just edited my... But don't worry, I'll... Hello everyone, welcome back. How long is this plane? How long is... Okay, good. How long is this plane? What do you mean it's not a regular plane? What the hell is a Meteor doing outside here? Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 911 presidential aircraft. The size of this plane... You heard right? Oh, wait. Our captain lost control that time. Anyway, you saved the day and that is the reason we are here. Why was it going in presidential? 991 presidential aircraft. Did we just do a... No, you shut up, Depth Seeker. President President Donald. And remember, no one should know about this. Just the Welcome to the presidential airplane. What the hell is a gel ending? Hold on. I'm researching it, so... The president is getting ready. He will meet you in the dining room in a couple of minutes. president is very special. He gets very mad easily. And please do everything we say and do not cause any. President should be almost ready. Yeah, wait, what was that? What was that right? Fun. Anything on here? Is that supposed to be Donald Trump? Build a big wall! What? Oh, wait, this is actually a racist thing. It's racist. He wants to separate Mexican He wants to separate Mexican Robloxians. He Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. If there was a flashback, the food is not ready yet. I believe the chef messed up. Throw that chef off this plate. Oh. We will take care of him, Mr. President. Anyway, I love... Be careful. Well, you better learn quickly or else I'm throwing you out of the plane too. Lucha 90. I will tell you the ingredients and you have to find them and drop them in the soup pot before the time runs out. If you grab the wrong engine, throw it in the trash can. But be quick. Already? Time to cook, Mr. White. Time to cook. Mr. White! Click! Oh no, he's stupid. Goodbye. I'm gonna be a chef, am I? Hey, well done. It looks delicious. Everyone take a seat. Yummy. It's probably the agent, guys. It's probably the agent. President absolutely for me. We ate him. Hey, let's find something here. I think airplane. Play the game tonight. No, I must figure out the code. Good luck, hackers. Okay, good. Hit the road, Jack. When you arrive in the presidential suit is locked. To open the door, I had to build walls with Mexico. Make Mexico build the wall. And you work for them. That was fast. I even hacked it. I even glitched it. I even glitched it, lol. Ronald should be saying that, not me. I even glitched it, lol. Holy shit, it's dark in here. Probably. We sleeping together? Hell no. Okay, bro, I sleeping on the floor. Owie. Where's the president? Two friends in a room. They might KISS. No, that's Ronald. Run! run, 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 ninja, run, 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 ninja, run. How is the plane not destroyed? How is the plane not destroyed? Parkour Pro. Oh, I'm the tall. We're doomed. Lol. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anjing Joe, what the fuck? Oh, okay. How long is this plane? What the hell? Shooting me up, spitting me up. That's an airplane. It's Ronald! He's taking the form! It's Ronald! Ah shit. Ah shit. Anyway. Shut the hell up, please. They're chewing me up and singing on, hey, 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 every day when I race. Not. Cross. Ding dong. Oh, it's me. 6, 7. Hey, juke. I'm a juke. Oh. What? I'll just say 6, 7. Okay, no. Bro, why me? Where's Artemi? Artemi. Dig a dig. Madam, hold on. Alright, so we're gonna get the Bad Ending Trilogy. I'll do a playlist on the Bad Ending Trilogy. What is going on? Do not trust him, he is haunted. Oh, that scared me actually. Ah! No, I'm kidding. What? Did you try to say something? I knew there was something wrong here. Shine like a rocket up into the sky. Nothing can stop me tonight. You make me feel invincible. You can touch me 'cause I'm a you make me feel invincible. It's Ronald, guys. It's Ronald. It's on. It's basically him, guys. It's basically him. He like to read news about plane crashes. Would he be disappointed if a plane evicted from a plane crash? Wait. I think I did this wrong. It's supposed to be like plane one, plane 3, plane 1, then plane 2. And then there's plane 4. Him is. Do not trust him. Check this gun. Okay. You have one chance to discover him and kill him. What if I just don't? Where did you come from? Alright, by the way, this is the bad ending trilogy. You make me feel. We've been looking for you. It's over. We've discovered you, monster. Wait! Put that gun down! What are you doing? We know about the plan to kill us, sorry. We know one of you is the monster. You're making a huge mistake. You're not monsters. But there's a gel ending, so anyway. I don't trust you. Crap, I accidentally pressed the wrong one. I can't do this, I'm sorry. You made the right choice. It's supposed to be him. Anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Phantom Boy out.